Greetings from Kämpinge Strandbad and this wonderful sandy beach located in Kämpinge in Skåne region, Sweden. It is 7 p.m. on this 12th of May 2024. We have currently 13 degrees Celsius in the air and plenty of sunshine and slight wind coming from the coast, I mean from the sea. And this is my 6th beach adventure for today, as earlier on the same day I visited Skanor and Falsterbo, several beaches on that front, very beautiful beaches. But this one is also on the same level as I see, and it's beautiful white sand and the beautiful sea as well. So I really look forward for another swim in the sea. And it is actually approaching my departure time back to Stockholm in less than 4 hours. So after this one I will need to go back to Malmö and maybe have one more swim there and have something to eat before my night train back to Stockholm. And it has been such an amazing time here in Skåne over the past 4 days, with the Eurovision being priority for me. But I managed to take a swim once in my first 3 days here, but again today I'm doing full-time beach adventures for you on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris, of course. So yeah, the sea temperature is 8.4 still, the same as it was throughout the day based on the satellite measurement. It can be a bit warmer throughout the day, I assume, especially in the more shallow areas. Okay, now I have shown you the beach, Kämpinge Strandbad, that belongs to Vellinge municipality. And there are also here some houses next to the beach, not as colorful as the one in Skanör, but still. And yeah, the day is approaching towards its end soon, and the color of the water is not the same as it was earlier today, but I'm pretty sure that this beach has almost the same color as Skanör and Falsterbo. That's only 5 kilometers away from here. Let's then go in and take a swim once again. I will also need to get dressed a bit more, because so far I've been having shorts and t-shirts, but now it feels like it's gonna get colder when the sun is going down slowly. It's not shining as much as earlier today, but I still enjoy it a lot throughout the day. And let's see, I really hope I can make one more adventure today, beach adventure in Malmö. Let's see. But yeah, take a look at the beach as I walk in to find some more deeper space for a swim on this wonderful sunny day. Yes, Skåne region has a lot of beautiful beaches along the coast, not just here in the Malmö area and close by, but also on the other side on the coast towards the Baltic states, which is the part of Skåne called Öresund, a very popular place, area, that I visited back in 2020. It was amazing. It was so nice to explore there. I want to go there once again, but let's see when that's going to be. Sweden is amazing. It has a huge coastline, so many lakes, not just in Stockholm, but throughout the whole country. The water is everywhere, so water is the main part of Sweden. So that's amazing. So yes, all right, let's then enjoy the swim in the Baltic Sea here in Kämpinge Strandbad. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Amazing, amazing. Once again, another beautiful swim and beach adventure. Look at that. It's Super. Absolutely fantastic. It's a very huge beach actually. It didn't seem like that on the map. It stretches quite far. And yeah, it's amazing. Cool, that's a wrap from Kämpinge Strandbad here in Vellinge municipality in Skåne region, Sweden. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with me.